Warriors and the UST Golden Tigresses. And as Phil reminded us at the top of our coverage, the last time these two...
Yes, opo.
Oo.
Hindi ko narinig yung sarili ko.
Ang maingay actually dito. Hindi siya peaceful.
Passionate.
Oo.
Very.
Yes. So he's very in touch with his emotions. And UE with a head start here. They lead by 1 to make that 2 points.
Lady Warriors and this dark tunnel of a season. Before the game started, Riza shared with me that as one of the seniors of her team, she was focused on building them back brick by brick, determined that even if they entered the season with some blows to their lineup, hindi dapat ipan. Was surprised that she's still leading the scores in terms of blocking. Moving forward, Riza will continue to be one of the atas na masasandala ng UE Lady Warriors, and we'll see how many blocks she'll get for this match. This report is powered by ML. Now back to you, Chicken Phil.
Thanks a lot, Althea. Of course, you're talking about the #1 blocker in the league.
Sarap maging teammate itong si Nogales kasi she knows her role and is also a leader for her team.
Well, talk about leading. That is where UE is.
Kasi nung round 1, actually, extended yung match nila set number 1. 28-26. So, intense itong first set.
And let's take a look at this rally that has not stopped. Pangayan tried to put a stop to it. Pasok ba?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Really, the Lady Warriors have to remember. When UST, they get going, they really get going. Eto na. Nagsa-service ace na to si Reg Jurado. Let's take a look at that. Cetaphil, fast serve, sensitive skin needs, 15 essential ceramides. Good serve. Pangayan sending it over. Carvalho there with a save. And Poyos! Uy, sabi sa iyo, yung mga libero, Angge Reyes there with a great save. And Poyos again, putting on the power. Iba-iba ni Angge Poyos yung mga dating ng bola niya.
And did you see that block? You need pwedeng itaas mo lang yung kamay mo. You need to really, si Poyos, I'm sure, daming options for her.
Another chance here for UST.
Oh, nice
That's
one.
it. Oh, pero buhay pa. How about that defense from UE?
Yes.
And again, these varied shots from Poyos. But the blocking will get the point for UST, and Abu has been on fire.
Especially now, mabigat yung mga next games nila versus UP and NU pa. So they need this win para lang maset yung momentum sa following games kasi they need to secure their Final Four. Kasi si UP
is
right behind.
There. Oh. Yeah, you did mention the standings. We'll take a look at that later on. Meantime, back to the game here. Another chance for UE.
Oh, it's a net touch.
Sayang. So the first game between these two. Ayun, ace
Although sa basa ko rin, para siya mag-outside na, then last minute, bumagsak itong service ni Pamulagan here.
Darling Tigers. Cepada ayun, into the hands of the blockers again. So Kai has to really watch out for that. Oh, back row attack, Poyos. Angge Reyes said it's a sidelight, looking at all of the saves by Angelica Reyes. Cordora will go up. Also, a good block by Nogales. And now we know why she tops the league in blocking. And let's take a look at that defensive block brought to you by AA, formerly coverage. Ito, grabe ang maturity niya. And even yung kwento sa atin ni Chelsea, just how she leads the team. And perfectionist, nakikita mo nga. Oh, that's a good one.
Great clean attack from Balingit there.
He is out in full support.
I know. Nakakamiss yung cheer. I was doing it during the timeout. You know, very nostalgic.
Oo nga.
Dati, out na yun. Talo kayo. Wala na. Iyak ka na lang.
I wonder if all players appreciate the challenge system.
Naman.
Oo, no?
Super. Wow! Wow!
Buhay pa rin ang bola. And the UST is not exempt from these occasional mishaps, ano?
Great play from UST, pero ito nga, nag-work ang defense. And tsaga ng UE against sa US. Napailang
Oo. Sabi mo nga, bilog ang bola. Talaga, sometimes these things you cannot predict.
Reyes, yan ang ating question. Wow!
Yeah, si Abu has been getting a lot of touches also. Now, Poyos will settle for the underhanded. Walang pinipiling set. Angge Poyos.
Sweet, kaharap natin siya dito. Grabe.
Diba? Iba talaga nating ng bola niya. Hyundai move with a set.
Since the start of the season, and she hasn't slowed down one bit. She's still on top of the digging department with an average of 4.4 digs per set.
Wow.
Binasa ko lang yung script, guys.
Pero good to know, ha?
Yeah.
Ito na nga sabi
and
natin.
I can see her. I can see her really defending well.
Yeah. Diba? Pepito and Reyes on the court together. That's really worth watching.
Tinanong ko yan, ano kinakain niya eh. Pero, anong breakfast niya? Tinatanong ko.
And if not because of her injury towards the latter part of 86, baka ng rookie MVP pa to.
Oo. Hindi natin maano yung challenge eh. Challenge.
Ayun. Tapos na. First set goes to UST.
Set point naman kayo.
Siya uli.
One more for UE.
Let's see where Carvalho takes this. Again to knock. Good defense again for UE. Kai Zapada will try to get another point. Pepito, almost, not quite. 3 points now for Kai Zapada. And the heart of the UE Warriors, true to their name.
Yes, Warrior 4-2 sub. Nag-substitute si Coach Kung Fu.
Sayang naman. And we will end this set on a unexpected note.
Sa team skill. Skill ranking ng CL.
So, they can really try to score off the bat.
First at
Hindi naman tayo nakita masyadong errors from the
first offense na nila,
yes.
si service. Patig natin yung receiving na UST.
UST is number 6.
Yes. So, pwede nilang take advantage yun.
And again, we start off with a rally.
Oh,
good combo attack. Ayan na, di ba? Kung pumikit ka. At and ang ace nagagaling dun sa kabila.
Yes. Cassie Carvalho, aside from being a best setter here,
take a look at that. Cetaphil fast serve. Sensitive skin needs 15.
Nakaka-contribute din itong si Carvalho sa service for UST. Hindi lang siya best setter.
Yeah. We talked about her being the highest scoring setter in the league.
Yes. Meron na siyang 10 service ace last time. Ngayon siguro pang 11 yun.
And mahilig sa mga 1-2. Times those perfectly. We haven't seen it actually today. Abangan pa natin yan. And Cordora again. Papakilala si Kyla Cordora. Here comes Van Bangayan. Good defense by UST.
Wow! Points after
Consecutive
point. 3, diba? Tatlo?
Yes.
3 consecutive points for Dora here. Hindi pa siya nag-full swing ng lahat ng teams pa rin.
Red Jurado hitting it off the hands.
The Warriors. And she's actually been playing all this time with a 150 eyesight with no glasses or contact lenses and told me, blurred yung mukha ng mga tao sa kabila ng court, nawala ko kasi yung lenses ko. Pero okay lang kasi dahil blurred sila, hindi ako mai-intimidate. And an example of this is one of Keisha's volleyball idol is actually Angge Poyos from the Golden Tigresses. And whenever she has the opportunity to block her spikes,
so UST already just showing their dominance. And they want to enter the Final Four in this kind of form. Pero sabi mo nga, Phil, wala pang sigurado at this point. Yun ang mga picture moments kasi hindi nangyayari yan halos kay Cassie Carvalho.
Speaking of CC pala, idol ko rin yun. Gusto ko makasama mag-weights training, lakas magbuhat.
Grabe.
I think 5% body fat siya.
And you mentioned the weight training. I think a lot of that is where they get their height ability, their jumping ability. UST should take advantage of those errors. Kesa yung iniintay nyo na magkamali lang. Has to be a combination of you're earning your points. Balingit there with a good save. Really impressive defense here for UE. Ayan, hindi nila sinasayang yung effort on defense.
Yes.
Kai Cepada with 4 points now.
Finally, Cepada with that play in the middle. Two
Ahead,
blockers.
si Kai Cepada and like Kyle Cordora are both 5'4" with the same kind of jumping ability. I'm sure this is not the last that we will see of these girls. Sabi nga natin, as we see, UST Junekwe is in and she scores right away.
Yes. Galing mo naman i-pronounce.
Good serve by Kai Cepada. First ball by Pepito. Guerreras also with a stop. Ngayon. Oh, nice! Tamang-tama. Sukat na sukat.
I know, that was good timing. Great choice for Bangayan there.
The move of the set. That move the game of Lady Tiger says 25-19. One-handed set. Althea just sending it over. And Balingit now. Hitting it on the hands there. And another hit out for UST Cordora. Dami na. 5 points for Cordora. Poyos is still the top scorer.
She was in and out of the bench, but today, babad na babad siya. So you can see how deep the bench of UST is. Dami pang pwede. Energy for the UE Lady Warriors here.
Oh, that one hit outside, and Nogales, really, she is the force in the front, so they have to take advantage when she's up there. Gives her the opportunities for them.
Feeling ko mafe-facial niya lang ako. Block point agad.
So dun sila sa mas mababa.
Sa mismatch na blocking. Oh, nice play.
And I think the scout din si Nogales. You know that Kai Cepada na scout. So
5'8" lang siya.
5'8", not quite as
pero
tall
parang
as
ang
Risa.
tangkad niya tignan dito. Sure ba yan?
Meron silang, si Althea is 6. Si Bianca Plaza is also 6 feet. So, matatangkad nga yung mga middles natin. 5'8" lang yan.
Really?
And take a look again at that defensive block brought to you by AIA, formerly Philam Life.
What a blessing.
The Mujo now on the court. And she will score right away as well.
Alam mo, I like it when Coach Mendoza pinapasok si Zamudio kasi nakaka-contribute talaga agad siya eh. Yes.
Quick conversion for Banagua. Puntos lang ng puntos. So really, a lot has to do with your mindset and your growth mindset, di ba? And your belief that you will improve. Pero the defense was there. Here.
Emptying the bench, 11 na nga lang sila. Sa USC, ang dami ng substitution for them. There you go, no. Getting the confidence here.
Getting the better of Reyes. So USC, many of the star UE players lumipat kasi doon. We're not seeing them yet.
Yes.
Dongalio, Madriaga, and yun din ang kawalan ng UE Warriors. Hindi natin alam kung if the sets will matter, but UST has to have that mindset na parang they have to win as quickly as possible.
Oh, nice set.
And that was good. So Nop will get the winning point. Kanina pa naman talagang hinahanapan ng oportunidad itong si Nop magpakitang gilas, and she wins that second set for her team.
Can afford those errors nga.
Maybe in a low-pressure game like this, that's something Coach Kung Fu has to remember though. Pagka nandun na sa top 4, they really have to minimize the errors. But I think
Cordora having her moment here. Uy!
Ball back to UST. Poyos will go. Still looking for her 10th point. Wala pa sa double digits. But also because labas-pasok din mga players. Take a look at that defensive block brought to you by AIA, formerly Philam Life. An advantage for UE yung blocking nila.
Nasa iyo yung #1 blocker ng league now. Why not?
Uy!
But Jurado.
Have a good for Reg Jurado. 6 points for her so far. Hoyos has 9.
To defend a lefty. Itong si Jurado.
Bangayan also. The lefty, an advantage also for her. And let's take a look at that defensive block brought to you by AIA, formerly Philam Life. 5-2, USC leads by 3. Jurado just pushing that one in. Pati yung mga halos sa
Posisyon na yan dahil kaya nyo at may tiwala kami sa inyo. With each player having their own purpose, the coaches would always remind them to charge it to experience and make the most out of it. Now this trust doesn't just come from the coaches. Now, afterwards, the team came together and shouted, "Go Ashley!" on the top of their lungs to show their love and support for their girl. And though the pressure and jitters may be there's nothing they can't do with teammates who support you both inside and outside the court. Watch this game on any device in the Philippines or abroad on the Pilipinas Live app. Download and subscribe. Now back to you, Chicky and Phil.
Thanks a lot, Jersey, and we are enjoying really seeing action from the rest of the USC squad.
Go Ashley.
And here's a rally. We saw many more of these in the first set. And finally, Bangayan getting that point.
Finally, UE
Against Ateneo. And not tight enough. But 7 points for Reg Jurado today. Her season high so far is 22.
Wow.
And that one is inside. So Althea, we're seeing the height advantage coming to play. We'll take a break. USC. Back at the Big Dome for our first of our doubleheader here in the women's division of UAAP Season 87 Women's Volleyball from the UE side.
Chicken Phil, in their huddle earlier, Coach Alan told the team, huwag niyong dagdagan yung kalaban natin kasi kinakalaban na natin yung sarili natin. And when in a slump like this, there's no better face to lift you up other than the libero of the UE Lady Warriors, Angge Reyes. And you know, throughout the season, one thing you'll notice from this team
Si Angge Reyes leading the team and always smiling. Yung positivity niya is infectious din for the UE squad.
How can you not appreciate her? And she worked so hard. I mean, nandun naman yung skills niya. And
There you go, diba? With that save, nakapunto si UE there.
And always with a smile. Kaya nga na-bad trip siya dun sa arena, sa slow-mo.
I
Nahuli
know.
siya, hindi nakangiti.
And I don't regret anything. Except not winning. Charot!
As you take a look at that ace from Althea. That beautiful fast serve, sensitive skin, and needs 15 essential ceramides. Face the game with a healthy, hydrated skin. Cetaphil for everyone. Sayang, that would have been a point for UE. Look at that first ball.
Wow.
Over. And
Core power for core strength for Poyas there in that joust. Kita mo. Ups. Balance.
wow.
Worried with that back-to-back error, but you know, yun nga yung itong kinukuha ng kumpiyansa ng player sa bawat game.
Pero yung ganyan, you appreciate Poyos din. Score is 16-8. As you see on your screen, 16-9 now. Set. There is that urgency, Phil, because they might be able to push it to a fourth like what they did the first time they met.
Round 1, 4 sets sila.
And what we're seeing from the USC side, yun nga is a chance really to see them. We were saying before the gap,
Oo nga, nasabi mo kay Poyo.
Oo, na kahit ganyan siya, 28 points ang season high niya.
Yes.
She's still, parang at that point, where tumitingin pa rin sa coach. I'm still willing to learn.
I know.
That's a great attitude.
Pero ang masasabi ko lang kay Poyo, girl, don't worry. You're amazing. Hindi ka papagalitin ni Coach Kung Fu, ano ba? Huwag ka mata-
Service line, which is not a good thing for UE.
Yes. Kalahati ang score here for UE.
Oh. And I think Red Jurado will still get that point. So UE, it's a string of points for them. 3 straight points after the technical timeout. And they are unrelenting. They have their game faces on, like we said, because they're watching the number of sets at this point. They want to win via sweep.
Oh, nice set. Single block.
Wow. Good up, though. One more chance here for UST. From the middle. Too much. Too much for UE.
Panagua there.
After the Holy Week. And their last game will be against NU.
Ganda na ng games nila.
Maganda, hindi madali. So, it depends on how you look at it.
For volleyball fans.
That's
it's
right.
Really line up din si Coach Kung Fu. I mean, yung kaya, akala ko lahat ng players nakalaro na.
And Jurado coming from the right pin. The advantage again of being a lefty.
I know, and then I love the way her spikes. Kasi nakita mo yung full...
You really have to remember the tendencies and the
Yes.
preferences of...
Oo.
Eto na si Carvalho, linabas na lahat. So, naalala ba niya?
Oo, galing din.
Ooh, good save. Jurado will go up, sending the ball over. And cross court. Good pickup for Nap. And she will go up for the attack. Yun na. Lumaganda na. But the defense of UE.
Yes. They have the defense.
Jurado.
Oh, good.
Galing. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Ayaw magpapatay ng UE. Nap again. And she gets it.
The bench goes wild for
Wow.
Nap here. So cute. Everyone cheering for Ashley here.
And let's take a look at that Duncan spike of the set. Brought to you by Duncan. Pasalubong ng bayan.
Ang cute naman ng mga UST teammates.
14-23. USC looking for 2 more points.
Alteas now is an outside from middle blocker.
Nako, ang tangkad ng front row.
Oo nga eh. Anong average?
Si Uneco is 6'1". And we know that Altea is 6. Siyempre si Poyos.
Yeah. Poyos and Uneco and Altea in front. Nandun naman sa kabila si Altea.
Ooh, good D. Balik sa USC ang bola. Poyos. Joust there, won by UE. Altea. Nasagot. Here comes UE again with the error on the attack. And that is it.